How to hide typing in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can hide the typing status in WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. WhatsApp does not have a direct built-in feature to completely disable the typing notifications option. However, there is one workaround. For that, you could use your airplane mode, which is one of the best tricks to hide the typing status on WhatsApp, and here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to open up WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to message. So once you're on the chat page, now what you have to do is swipe down to your quick settings, then you have to turn on your airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode, now type the message and send it while you're in the airplane mode. Then you have to close the WhatsApp completely. Then you can turn on the airplane mode. The message will be automatically sent once the WhatsApp reconnects to your internet. So while you are on the airplane mode, the typing status to other person will be hidden as you are offline when typing. So that is the only way to turn off the typing status on WhatsApp using the airplane mode. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.